Bandung Independent School berhasil mengibarkan nama Jawa Barat di ajang NSDC atau National School Debating Championship tingkat SMA tahun 2023. Dalam kompetisi yang digelar Kementerian Pendidikan, Kebudayaan, Riset, dan Teknologi, dua siswa kelas 11 BIS ini meraih juara 2 nasional kompetisi debat parlementer.
It's not something that should be seen as gracious and be celebrated because of the glory that comes from it and the satisfaction of resolving something that happens.
No possible justification for an action that will end hundreds of thousands of lives. Actually remove the check and balances that prevents war, and I'll further elaborate this on my speech, at this point on my speech.
Now, a round of applause for the teams up front.
Adalah Valerin, Hilary Wijono, dan Deklan Gladen Kudawan saat ditemui di kampus BIS Kota Bandung. Keduanya mengaku telah melakukan persiapan secara maksimal sebelum terjun ke kompetisi. Keduanya intens melakukan latihan tanpa meninggalkan kegiatan sekolah dengan bimbingan guru dan coach debat yang selama ini sudah membantu sejak sebelum ikut kompetisi.
War is not something that should be seen as gracious and be celebrated because of the glory that comes from it.
Berasa membawa nama besar sekolah, ditambah adanya mandat dari Kota Bandung dan Provinsi Jawa Barat. Keduanya berjibaku di arena dengan segenap kemampuan yang dimiliki hingga akhirnya berhasil menjadi juara 2 NSDC tahun 2023 yang digelar di Kota Yogyakarta pada 2 hingga 6 Oktober. Baik Valerin maupun Gladen mengakui kesempatan mengikuti kompetisi debat tingkat nasional adalah pengalaman yang membuka banyak pemahaman baru. Kompetisinya cukup melelahkan dan menuntut konsentrasi yang tinggi.
I think being able to get into that moment is really something that makes me really happy because I know that the process itself is not easy. There were several phases before I get to actually go to NSDC 2023 to be able to represent Jawa Barat and get into the grand finals. We still had to go through the selection process where 3 people are selected for each province, and then I also had rigorous training and I was really committed to the training. I had like 4 to 5 times a week training with Kakisti, and I think despite the fact that it's of course tiring and everything, the fact that I still love debating and I still have a really big passion for it makes me really happy to be able to stand in the grand finals podium and represent Jawa Barat until we got second place in Indonesia.
I've been debating for over a year. Like when I first started, I thought debating was just something for fun, but then I heard about NSDC, I heard of all this competition. I'm like, oh, I want to achieve something in debate, so I started training for it, and then because I put on all this hard work, I feel like I managed to get into the NSC selections, and after selections, I went into the actual competition in Yogyakarta. I didn't just start preparing for NSDC when the application started out. I've been aiming for that because I know it's NSDC is a yearly thing that they held. So before that, I would debate I think 3 times a day. 3 times a week.
Sementara itu, coach pembimbing 2 siswa BIS, Kristi Ardiana menjelaskan, kejuaraan debat dengan bahasa Inggris adalah model kompetisi, membutuhkan berbagai keterampilan. Selain itu, debater juga dituntut memiliki pengetahuan umum yang mendalam serta kemampuan menyampaikan pemikiran secara lisan dengan baik dan gesture yang tepat saat menyampaikannya.
Jadi kalau di NSDC, National Schools Debating Championship, itu ada namanya Provincial Selection, Mas. Jadi di provinsi, seperti OSN gitu ya, itu diseleksi sama panitia nasional. Mereka harus mengirimkan speech, jadi mereka harus mengirimkan speech dalam bentuk mereka public speaking, mereka merekam video itu dan mereka submit gitu.
Kepala Sekolah BIS mengatakan, English Debat menjadi salah satu ekstrakurikuler yang terus dikembangkan oleh sekolah yang dipimpinnya. Hal ini karena English Debat memiliki manfaat yang signifikan dalam menumbuhkan kepercayaan diri siswa untuk berani tampil, melatih keterampilan berbicara, serta mengasah kemampuan berpikir cepat.
We have a very robust extracurricular activity program, and we listen to the students when they have voice and they have choice in their learning, and when we want them to follow their passions and we want them to be excited about learning. So when they come to us and say, I really want to explore debating, I want to pursue pursue this pathway, we listen, and so we have a debate club here at Bandung Independent School as part of our extracurricular activities, and that helps the students with the approaches to learning skills that we teach in every classroom, in every grade level.
National School Debating Competition atau NSDC merupakan kompetisi debat parlementer tingkat SMA se-Indonesia yang diadakan setahun sekali. Sebagai kompetisi tingkat nasional, NSDC diikuti oleh tim-tim yang mewakili berbagai provinsi di Indonesia. Dari Bandung, Jawa Barat, Rifki Nafis, Sabago Visasa, Metro TV.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.